welcome. Today, we're diving into an important topic that can make a significant difference for families and individuals. IRS Form 8812. This form is essential for calculating and claiming valuable tax credits, like the Child Tax Credit (CTC), the Credit for Other Dependents (ODC), and the Additional Child Tax Credit (AC). If you have qualifying children or dependents, especially if you're in a lower to moderate income bracket, this information is crucial for you. So, who qualifies for these credits? To claim them on Form 8812, your dependent must be under age 17 at the end of the tax year, a U.S. citizen, national, or resident alien, possess a valid Social Security number, have lived with you for more than half the year, and be financially supported by you. Additionally, you can claim a smaller credit for other dependents, such as older children or relatives, as long as they meet IRS criteria. Now, why does this matter? Well, you could receive up to $2,000 per qualifying child, with a refundable portion of up to $1,700 through the ACTC. There's also a $500 credit available for other dependents. These credits can significantly reduce your tax liability or even increase your refunds, providing much-needed support for working families. Let's break down how to fill out Form 8812 step by step. Start by understanding the basics. What is Form 8812? It's designed to help you navigate the credits available to you. A line-by-line walkthrough will guide you through each section, showing you how to calculate credits for your qualifying children and other dependents. You'll want to grasp the credit calculations thoroughly, as they can vary between non-refundable and refundable portions. For those looking ahead, a step-by-step guide for 2025 will help you apply the latest credit amounts and phase out rules. Don't forget to focus on the refundable credit, as it can provide additional financial relief based on income thresholds. For tax professionals, there's an advanced breakdown available that offers a detailed analysis of each line on the form, ensuring you can educate your clients with precision. Remember, if you have children or dependents, don't miss out on these valuable tax credits. Form 8812 could mean thousands in savings or refunds. If you need assistance, reach out to Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com. We're here to empower you with the knowledge you need. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more tax tips, financial empowerment, and community education. Your journey to financial well-being starts here.